It's just a festive margarita, and that's the Mistletoe Margarita. Years ago, Jordan Skinny Mixes sent me some samples, and one of the things they had was like a mistletoe martini mix. It was pretty good, and the flavors of that were like orange and cranberry. And ever since then, I can't get the idea of orange and cranberry equals mistletoe out of my head, because they go really well together. And it makes a nice, pretty pink drink, reddish kind of tones for the holiday season. It's really, really good. So we're gonna be doing our spin on a margarita using orange juice instead of triple sec, and then some cranberry syrup that I made. So we're gonna be using our standard margarita build. So in our small glass, we're gonna be adding some tequila. We're gonna go 2 ounces of a Blanco tequila. You can do reposado if you want. I find that the Blanco tequilas, the white tequilas, have a little more fruitiness taste to them, which I think really kind of helps out those margarita flavors. So in our jigger, we're gonna go 2 ounces of our tequila. Use your favorite tequila, but the one thing I'm gonna tell you is make sure it's 100% agave. Next, we're gonna go with some lime oleo citrate. So this is gonna be 0 net carbs. So our tequila 0 carbs, and our lime oleo citrate 0 net carbs. Like I mentioned, instead of the triple sec, we're gonna be using orange juice instead. You've seen me use the Simply Light for a very long time because it's only 1.5 carbs per ounce. I'm gonna do 1 ounce of the orange juice. Next, a cranberry syrup. So what I did is I took a bunch of cranberries and I boiled them until they popped. And then all the flavors were in here. Then I let it cool, I let it sit. Then I got this. Then I checked it with my refractometer, and it measured at 2 grams of sugar per 100 milliliters, which equals 3.38 ounces. Math, math, math! 0.59 grams of carbs per ounce. So a smidge, I mean like a thumbnail width thickness of over 1/2 a carb per ounce. And we're gonna do 1 ounce of this. So next, we're gonna go add some ice to our shaker. We'll add some ice to our margarita glass. Cap that off and give it a good shake. I'm gonna strain this into our margarita glass. Can't have a margarita without a lime wheel or a wedge or some sort of lime thingy. So now we have the it's so simple. It's so simple. If you can make a margarita, you just do this instead. It's basically all the same stuff. Just swap out your triple sec for your orange juice, then a little bit of cranberry syrup. Let's go in for a taste. Cheers. Man, that is so freaking good. That is so freaking good. This is one of my wife's, I would probably say her favorite holiday cocktail. God, that's just absolutely delicious. If you like margaritas, I'm kind of jump around a little bit here. Your margarita is going to be tequila, triple sec, and lime juice. Now, the more modern versions of it add agave syrup. So basically, we took the agave syrup and changed it for cranberry syrup, and we took the triple sec and used orange juice instead. This is actually, you know what? I could have that at brunch instead of a tequila sunrise or something. It's such a fresh, fruity drink. It's not overly sweet, because when I did make my cranberry syrup, I did not use an equal parts. Well, I did use equal parts, which brought the sweetness down, because allulose is 70% as sweet as sugar. So for the 1 cup of the liquid, I used 1 cup of the RX sugar. That brought the sweetness level of the cranberry syrup down a little bit, to be 70% as sweet as it would be if I used regular sugar. So by doing that, it's not super sweet, but it's super fruity. You get the tartness of the cranberries right there. Then you get some of the orange juice in there from that. You're like, wow, this is like really refreshing. The orange juice makes me think of breakfast. But then that lime juice that brings it just a slight bit of sourness. So you get a little bit of tartness from the cranberry, a little bit of fruitiness from the orange, a sourness from the lime. The RX sugar brings this perfect sweetness level to it. And then, of course, a good tequila brings it all together. And have 5 or 6 of these at your party. And, you know, you can make 5 of them, have 5 friends, and ask them what they're drinking because these are yours. So this is it for our Mistletoe Margarita. Y'all have a great day because I'm going to chug this in a second. And then I will definitely be having a great day too. See you later.